Well, this month, we've been working with our organizing expert to help you kick off the year with some simple tips to keep yourself organized in 2018. Today, Vicki is showing us how to reclaim your work.
Hi, it's Vicki Norris of Restoring Order. Almost everyone these days is overworked and overwhelmed. Maybe you can relate. Now, as a professional organizer for nearly 2 decades, I can tell you that reclaiming your work will help you get off this hamster wheel of life. Whether you work for a company, yourself, or at home, I'm going to share with you 3 keys to reclaiming work: space, style, and stewardship. Now, when it comes to your space, whether you have an office or a nomadic station at a counter, create workflow and systems. Now, even though I have a separate building for an office, I like to sit at my kitchen counter. This is my rollabout, complete with my projects, charging station, and action items. Number 2, style. At Restoring Order, we believe that true productivity begins with product, and that product is you. To better manage your work life, start with systems that are built around how you are wired. I'm very visual and kinesthetic, so while I do use an electronic planner, I use a subdivided notepad for my tasks. And finally, stewardship. If you are overwhelmed with work, I've found that it helps to right-size your job. Here's a great way to put your career in context. Create a mind map. Put you in the center and everything you've been entrusted with, including your career, around it. Now, this perspective exercise made me thankful and empowered to bring me to all the areas of life. Here's to reclaiming your life.
For more from our organizing expert, Vicki Norris, you can head to our website, kptv.com/moregdo for a link.